Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I just have to give you a wake-up call. Oh, God, I love that sound.
That's money.
Afro's the Assassin, back with another banger. So, can you put a GTR Shifter in a G37? Yes, you can. Watch me.
So right now she's mocked up. Gonna get that bezel out. You'll no longer need this, so you could save it or put it aside. What I'm gonna do is trim down each side, to make room for the shifter, because the thickness of that shift boot, like about so. So I'm gonna trim it down a bit and I'll come right back. So at this point I have this notched out, just made a slit. So those can come through from the bezel. Still working on getting that shaved down a bit. Once that's properly shaved down, I'll go ahead and try to mount it out. I'll just keep going back and forth and seeing how much material I've taken off. All right, so I was able to get that in, snapbacked, and mocked up pretty good. Next, I'm gonna remove this so you don't have that odd eyesore resting up against the bottom of the shifter. What I'm gonna do is keep this circumference, because there's a zip tie in there, leave that, and then the shifter's gonna plop down right on top of it and look somewhat flush. All right, and there you have it. Smooth. That's money. Wondering, there was no cutting or dremeling involved in this. This simply slid right over it, rested on top. The groove notches in there holds it in place. With a very vigorous tug or pull, pop this right back off. That way the owner can interchange or go back to stock and then sell this and purchase some more mods later on. That's why it was done that way.